You think your rental cash flows $300 a month? You're lying to yourself. That $6,000 roof you replaced last year, it didn't magically appear. You're bleeding money if you're not budgeting for capital expenditures. Here's the math nobody teaches. A roof lasts 25 years. HVAC 15, water heater 10, appliances maybe 12. Take the replacement cost of each major item, divide by its lifespan in months, and that's your monthly reserve. An $8,000 HVAC unit over 15 years means you should be setting aside $44 every single month. Before you calculate profit, factor in all major systems and your profit suddenly shrinks or even vanishes. Stop pretending future costs are future problems. They're right now problems. A $20,000 roof, $8,000 HVAC, $1,500 water heater, and $3,000 in appliances, all with typical lifespans, demand over $120 a month in reserves. Are you reserving that? If not, you're not cash flowing, you're just delaying the inevitable financial hit. Powered by LeaseBase Intelligence.